So again, with the keyboard, I've also purchased the mic that I wanted to test out for a while. The main reason I bought this is because it was $9.99 or 95, I think, from Curry's again, and I think it's one of their brands, as I said mentioned. I don't know where it's come from, but ADX brand, cheap and cheerful, and I wanted to see how well do this work. So I haven't opened it yet, and this one I will keep. The keyboard I wasn't sure of, but this one I will keep. And let's see how the unboxing looks. So just having a quick look at the box itself. The packaging, crystal clear audio, web chat, USB digital output channels directly to your computer, easy plug and play design. Okay, so that's not bad. So let's open up and have a look. So looking at this, how easy is it to open? Oh dear. Oh, it's this way. Okay, so let's get this up in here somehow. So this must be the stand and the USB, which is, it's not the Type C, it's the old USB 2, I think they're called. I don't know if you can see it there. And then it comes with the stand, and then you've got the mic. Now, it's a metal stand, it's not plastic. It's got a screw-on bit there, so we'll figure out how that works in a second. And then the mic itself opens up like that. Right, so looking at the mic, and then a paper. So it does have a mic, you can headphone connection to it, which is good. Once again, this is from Curry, so you can always look at their website to get more information. You can probably see the product as well there. I mean, it's probably be in a box, but they'll probably have it on display somewhere. It's got the mute button on the top. You can't see through this at all, but it looks like there's foam inside it. So that should block off some of the unwanted noise. So I would say it's not bad. It's plastic, lightweight plastic, so this could break if you're not careful. And the way it looks is this literally just connects to that like that. Opens up like this. It's not bad. If I was to open this, and it looks like the USB, it's about 1.5 meters long maybe, and this will connect to your PC, of course, and this will just literally connect. See, it's the not the Type C, which would be nice. There we go. And it sits there, or stands very nicely actually, I must say. It's quite sturdy, so you can leave it on your desk, and we'll test this out to see how well does this work. This was a simple plug and play with my computer. It worked perfectly fine. It found the mic, and I'm doing the voice overlay right now with this mic, and you can see the comparison between my camera mic on my phone compared to the voiceover I'm doing right now. And I think only thing you'll notice, there's a little humming noise in the background, which is actually coming from the fans that I've got on my PC. Unfortunately, I can't be away from that to get rid of the sound. But otherwise, if you were to take that sound away in a quiet place, this mic sounds really good on my headphones right now I'm using. And I think overall, I give a really good thumbs up for this, for the cheap and cheerful $9.95 from Curry's compared to my other £40–50 that I spent on my other mics. This one sounds so much better. I'm very much happy with it, and I will end up keeping it for myself to voice overlays, and quite small and compact and easy to move around as well. Just need to get a better stand, and hopefully I can be in a quiet place to do all the recording. Apart from that, I think this gives you a better understanding of how well this mic works. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to bring some more stuff to you soon. Take care.